Hey everyone, this is Darryl. We're back with another episode of ADA, Ask Darryl Anything, where I answer your most burning questions, give you tips about marketing. Please be sure to like and follow us at Cyrusson for more marketing content to help skyrocket your sales and scale your business. So this question is one that I got from Thea Bautista. If a business owner is just starting their business, do you think they should start with paid ads immediately? Well, paid advertising is a great way to basically get more traffic to your site to increase your sales. Not just that, but it's a great way to connect with people who are actively searching for your products or services. But let me tell you, advertising can get expensive quickly, especially if you're just starting out. So I usually recommend that for people who actually have the budget for it. You're not depending on every dollar that's coming in. Now, if you want to get the most out of paid ads, here's the deal. There's a lot of places to buy ads, and each platform has its strengths and weaknesses. There's Facebook ads, Google ads, YouTube ads. There's even there's a lot of ads platforms. But before getting started, you should understand the types of ads or paid ads as well as their pros and cons. To me, Google Ads is an obvious choice if you're a local business that provides services, because the demographic you are showing the ads has a higher intent. They're searching on Google because they have a problem, and they're online because they're searching for the answer. So that's where you want to pop up, right? So if you have a compelling solution and you presented that in your ad, and chances are this might be your next customer, right? So aside from Google Ads, it produces a greater ROI, and the longer you use the service, they reward you, they being Google, they reward long-term customers with better quality scores. Now, with social media ads such as Facebook, you can target potential buyers based on user preferences, demographics, and their location. And depending on your business type, Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, TikTok are all valid options to consider. And my recommendation is start with pay-per-click campaigns by trying several of these options. Try to understand where your target audience is probably at or how they would find you. So I would use hard data to make final decisions about where you want to put your money on. Rely on the hard data, not guesses, to understand what platforms will provide the best return in connecting you with potential customers. Make sure to follow, and if you have any questions, please go ahead, drop them in the comments below. You can also book a free consultation with me. I'm happy to help you create a strategy to propel your marketing system and grow your business. See you in my next video. Bye.